Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you once again for tuning in. So we're here at Lopez Tires. I don't know if you remember, I mentioned in one of my videos that I come here because my buddy Andrew takes care of me, and here we are. This is the infamous pole that I hit. Still in good condition. But today we're gonna flip my tires. He told me to flip them in 3,000 miles, so it's finally been 3,000, and I think I'm just gonna flip all of them around because they feel like they're getting a little more wear and they kind of look like it too. So I decided to come here and have Andrew take a look at them. You guys ever need anything, tires mounted, flipped, whatever, Andrew will be able to help you out. Come through. Hard at work. We got 2 phones. What up, man?
Oh!
How have you been?
Good.
Nice.
Here at work?
Yeah. Alright, so I guess it's not as bad as I thought. I only need to do the front one, which is great. Save a little more money and I get a little more life out of the rears. He said the rears can go for about another 3,000 to 4,000, so I'll probably come back for those. But the fronts, he told me 3,000 the last time I was here, and it's been a little over 3,000, so I want to just get them flipped for peace of mind. Those Brembos though. Man, I love Beamers.
Let me put my Florida mask on.
What do you think of this place? Do you recommend it?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Nice. Dude, thank you so much.
No problem, bro.
Killed Andrew. Get back on the road now. Try not to hit that pole out there.
So it's like,
oh shit.
Better quality.
Dude, these are awesome. Thank you. Lopez Tires. So whenever I race people, I take that L.
Thank you.
Take it.
You too.
I did it. I didn't hit the pole. All right, guys, huge shout out to Andrew. Thank you so much for the sticker and mounting my tires. You are so awesome. Thank you so much. We are going to have Ivana drive my car. Are you excited? And a lot of you guys may think, oh, what's so great about a girl driving your car? Well, this is not any regular car. This is a lowered car. So we're gonna see how she does. She's driven my car before. Her previous car was a little bit lower than stock, so I think she can handle it. It's just more of angling and getting out of driveways and stuff, but that's where the fun comes in. So let's see how you do. Are you ready? You got this. So there is a little dip right there, but she can already see it. So what are you gonna do? Not take the dip, right?
No, never take the dip. Even if you think you can take the dip, it's not worth it.
Damn, you look good driving this car. It's cool having someone else drive your car. Shut up, chandelier. This is awesome. I'm not driving. Oh, that didn't look right. We're going to grab some food right now. You can't really eat anywhere because of the whole Corona thing, so I hope you guys are staying safe. If you are getting food, you guys are getting it to go. We're gonna go to this one spot that she showed me that's so bomb. It's called Cafe Orient, and it's Vietnamese, Chinese, and Thai kind of mixed into one. But the owners are Vietnamese, so it's super good, and they have a lot of traditional Vietnamese dishes, but it's not a traditional Vietnamese restaurant because it's, like I said, Chinese and Thai, I believe. Oh my God. Women can drive. I'm kidding. Oh, you're killing it.
Wow, that's fun.
We're gonna see if she can get into this driveway for Cafe Orient. It's not the worst, but let's see. You never know.
You never know.
You got it.
Out that way.
Yeah, go on. Yeah. And then turn. Yeah, turn all the way. Nice.
Ooh.
Baby, scrape my exhaust. I'm kidding.
Oh my God, you scared me.
It always scrapes. It's okay. I don't care. Cafe Orient, Chinese and Vietnamese restaurant. I guess it's not Thai. Good job. How's your first drive?
Good. I was nervous though.
But that's good. Nervousness generates caution and makes you a little bit more of a better driver. All right, guys, we got the goods. So bomb. Ready?
Ready? Ooh.
So for this one, we're gonna have her get out of this driveway. I'm most likely gonna get out of the car so then I can show you her getting out of the driveway. Queen of the road.
Now we're getting in the driveway. We gotta concentrate.
Killed it. Got into my driveway. My driveway is so hard. Everyone scrapes going in. I'm kind of turned on right now. Guys, you should have seen it. I wasn't filming because I was just, just watching her drive, but she cut off like 3 cars. Literally 15 minutes into driving my car, she already got so comfortable and freaking got road rage. You should see her in her Civic. She's like hauling dick, like going around every single car, cutting everyone off. She hates slow drivers. It was so funny to me because the first 5 minutes of her driving my car, she was like, oh my God, I'm so nervous. I don't want to break anything. And then she's just like, get out of my way, slow ass Civic. Look at you. You think you're so badass, huh?
Now I want this car.
Guys, comment down below if you think she should get a Lexus.
Yeah, we didn't even have music on. I needed my Jimmy Jam, so I was driving.
We just made it home. I'm gonna eat this real quick and then we're gonna see where else we can have her drive. So stay tuned.
2 hours later.
We finished eating such a good meal. We're gonna see if she can get out of my driveway. This is one of the hardest things because I still sometimes have a little bit of trouble, but she's got this. Wow, impressive. How was that?
Scary. I'm so nervous.
You did good. Hell yeah.
Trying to do a U-turn, lady.
So we're gonna go to Starbucks. Impressive. Oh, wow.
I told you, I always watch you.
I had like a little mini heart attack. Yeah, she's doing a great job driving. If you guys think she's doing great so far, she's been hitting a lot of driveways. Just been like training her to get her ready for the stance life in the future maybe. Give this video a thumbs up if you are impressed by her driving. If you think that she drives better than your guys' girlfriend, give it a thumbs up. But don't tell your girlfriend because I don't want you to get in trouble. Thank you. All right, so go straight. Yeah, just keep going straight even until you, I'll tell you when to turn. This one's a little tricky. Okay. I start turning now. All the way. All the way. Yeah. There you go.
Okay.
Yeah, that's perfect. Killing it.
Look for potholes, don't forget. Always hear the jingle of your chandelier.
Yeah. Shh. Alright, yeah.
Still going this way.
Nice. See? And then just make a full right. We'll go down this way. We're just gonna let her have a little bit of fun. She never gets to floor it. How is it?
I don't know. I didn't know if you wanted me to keep going or kind of just stop.
No, but how was it? You got this. Easy money. I could be shifting for you. You could just have fun. You're fun driving.
I kind of get worried on this side because sometimes on this side there's things.
No, it's fine. There's nothing. No, I've driven on this side.
Stay in your lane, man.
Oh, a Supra?
Oh, that's really nice. It's black.
In black?
It's black. Yeah.
You guys can't see this, but there's a Supra and it's so nice.
Can't get me, coppers.
You know all that gas you just burned? You're gonna pay for that, right? Totally kidding. Gas is really cheap now, guys, so
Yeah,
take advantage. Even if you're not gonna go anywhere, fill up, leave your car at home. Pretty damn cheap. I've never seen premium gas this cheap, and supposedly in like another month, it's gonna get a lot cheaper. So it's like kind of a nice day out. It looks like it wants to rain over on this side, but then over here it's really clear. These are the things you get to notice when you don't drive. Kind of nice not having to drive. Woman versus driveway, part 5. Just made it to all aspects real quick. Thanks to my lovely girlfriend for driving. And I'm gonna help Josh install a couple parts on his car. He got some goodies for the Beamer. So we're gonna install some parts on the E90. Look at these guys.
Oh.
Social distance, social distance. Back up.
But if you guys want to check out their video, it will be right here for you guys to click on. So check it out. All right, guys, we just finished all aspects. I helped Josh install a few parts. We're also doing a giveaway, so please check out their video and enter that giveaway. As of right now, we're gonna head back to Ivana's house real quick, and then she's gonna drive me somewhere else. And this is gonna be fun because she's actually going to go on the freeway.
I believe in myself. Let's get it.
Oh. What's up? Want to race? I'm just kidding, don't. You're gonna lose. So, Ivana has been considering getting a Lexus for some time. Maybe after driving my car for 24 hours, she might lock in her decision. It would be cool to have another Lexus in the family, I guess. Fingers crossed. Look at you driving a lowered car. Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
Killing it, boo. You remember what to do when you see dips, right? You slow.
Speed up, and then you don't angle. Got it.
No. Oh, we have made it onto the freeway. Ooh, no, you're good.
We're getting over, bitches.
I think one of the best feelings is not driving your car, but having someone you completely trust. You get to appreciate your car more. Like, I'm just here not driving, listening to how my car sounds, and seeing how it like feels in the passenger seat. I always feel bad for my passengers because I never know how they feel when I'm driving. Like if it's smooth or if it's too bumpy, but it's pretty comfortable for the most part. So she's killing it right now. I'm gonna have her drive the rest of the way, and I will see you guys at the tattoo shop. All right, guys, we made it to the tattoo shop. It's over here, but I'm gonna have Ivana come into the driveway just to get her used to the car. So let's see how she does. Look at this pro right here. Good job. What up, man?
What's up, bro? How you doing, man?
Pretty good. I've been having her drive my car the whole day. All right, here we got the custom plate too.
Come on, you got like about like a foot? A little more, a little more?
best part, tattoo artist and car enthusiast. So I've been having her drive my car the whole day, and I want to have her drive it for 24 hours, like a challenge. She did pretty good on the freeway.
She did good. I saw her coming up today, man. I'm not there yet with my wife. So.
I love this car, but it's so nice stock. I already know you had to get the F Sport for sure.
Oh, yeah.
See, the cup holder should be right here. Like mine, it's over here. Oh, and we got blue.
Turn it on, bro.
Dude, this thing is nice. Just finished the tattoo with Rob. Thank you again, Rob.
No problem, bro. No problem.
You gotta be safe.
You gotta be safe, so. That's me and my homies too. No.
Just letting Rob check out the chandelier.
I like it. I like it. Yeah.
It's funny. It's like the most bougie
but
thing.
I'm on board. I like it.
All right, babe, are you ready?
Looks so good, man.
Thank you. Oof. Damn, what a pro. Let's go home. All right, guys. So we just made it back to the valley. And of course, she needed her little boba run. She needs her boba because she's a boba maniac. Oh, shit.
Damn, don't even have the seatbelt.
Whoops. When we got to the tattoo shop, Rob thought that I parked outside because he saw me outside of the car already filming, but then he saw her pull in. He's like, oh shit, that's fucking sick. Yeah, not a lot of women know how to drive lowered cars, and I know a lot of you guys probably would not trust your girlfriend or even your mom to drive your cars. So it's not that bad because she's a really good driver. You can go up a little more. You have like 3 feet. Good job. Pound it. Swag. Look at how far she parked away from the curb. I taught you well. But we made it safe and sound. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's honestly so cool seeing someone else drive your car, especially someone you trust, because I love seeing my car outside of my car, and it was so fun to watch. And there's some moments where I was just like, oh, but she killed it. Good job, babe. Is there anything you want to say to any of the women out there who want to drive their boyfriend's lowered cars?
Pay attention when he's driving and then you'll get it.
Exactly, just being observant. And even for all of you guys who want to lower your car and start driving it low, 2 tips. Number 1, over angle, no matter what. It doesn't matter how steep the driveway is, how mellow it is, over angle. Make it like you're almost freaking sideways, like you're taking up both lanes. If you feel rushed, just back up a little bit and then redo it to let cars come in and out. And the second tip that I can give you guys is remember the roads. Doesn't matter where you go, if you drive out far and you know you're gonna make those trips again, remember the roads you took and remember where the dips and potholes and everything are. Even if you don't want to and you think it's a lot of work, it will pay off in the long run. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Maybe we'll have you drive it again in the future when we supercharge it.
Wow.
Don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good. But in this time and day, you should definitely stay home and feel good because we don't want you getting sick.
Oh!
Later.